Mike here. You're watching Yukon Scout Restoration. In this video, I will fabricate 4 heavy-duty jack stands for my 1966 Scout 800. This is not a how-to video. It's a how I do video. I hope you like it. Let's get to work. If you want to help, please subscribe to Yukon Scout Restoration. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out. I'm at the point where I'm ready to remove the front and rear axle from my Scout and completely rebuild them. But first, I need some good, high, heavy-duty jack stands so I can raise the Scout up nice and high and comfortably work underneath it, because there's other jobs to do underneath. For example, I have to make new brake lines. I have to do the wiring. I have to finish off some painting underneath, things like that. So I'm making these jack stands out of drill steel and 1/4-inch plate and channel iron and some bolts. So let's get to work. I'm pre-cutting the drill steel and cleaning it up on the side of the chop saw blade. Note my homemade adjustable fence. Now I'm using my plasma cutter to cut rectangular gussets from some 1/4-inch plate. The plasma cutter makes nice clean cuts that are easy to clean up with the grinder. This is a lot cheaper than cutting with oxyacetylene or oxypropane. Plus, a lot less heat input into the base metal equates to less distortion, especially on thinner metal. I made 12 triangular gussets. 1/4-inch by 4-inch by 10 inches. Using 3 gussets per jack stand leaves working space on the inside of the jack stand. I've pre-cut a lot of the materials. I cut the height adjusting holes on the inner tube with my oxyacetylene torch. Drilling would have taken far too much time. These holes don't have to be perfect because I still have the fine adjustment with the threaded rod. The base plates are 15 inches square with the corners cut off. I'm tacking the 4 outer tubes to the base. A good fit makes welding easier. To control distortion, what I do on one side, I must do on the other side. Of course, all of that welding on the top side of the base is going to cause it to pull and cup, even though the gussets will restrain it quite a bit. It's still going to pull and cup. But I'm not too worried about that because I have a solution. I anticipated this to occur. The frame of the Scout fits perfectly inside this 4-inch channel iron. Welding a pre-drilled plate to a piece of drilled steel. I will call this the cap. The 5/8 threaded rod is for the fine adjustment. This solution to the cupped base worked out very well. It's actually better this way because if you have a little piece of gravel on the floor, it's not a problem. It took me 2 full days to build 4 heavy-duty jack stands that will last a lifetime. So I'm just making a small modification on this jack stand. I've cut these 4 little pipes, and you see how this flops around on the threaded part. Just put that on there, right? Put a clamp on it, and weld it. And that's all there is to it. Using Architect 223 rod at 99 amps, 52 volts. So I'll tack one side. Right. As you can see, that stabilized that quite a bit. In conclusion, the jack stands are working very well. Now I can safely do anything I want under the Scout. It's not wobbly at all, and the jack stands are extremely strong. Because I only used 3 gussets, I can easily pass between 2 jack stands with a floor creeper. My next video will be front axle removal, teardown, and inspection. I hope you like it. If you want to help, please subscribe to Yukon Scout Restoration. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out.